Hey, what's up, everyone? So, as time goes on, the world scientists and experts, well, they're going to continue to find ways to help people lose weight, primarily since 70% of our population is categorized as overweight or obese. And it's reasonable to expect some of the weight loss treatments, well, they're going to involve taking pills or getting an injection. Now, the die-hard weight loss proponents, I can already hear them. They're always going to despise any form of weight loss that does not involve 45-pound plates and a treadmill. However, look, this blanket stance is more of a Luddite footing than anything else, because science and our understanding of the human body is only improving, leading us to future breakthroughs in weight loss treatments that do not include any sort of bench pressing. With that said, the FDA...
Remember, children act fast. So do poisons. This message came to you from the Food and Drug Administration.
The FDA has decided that WeGovy or semaglutide injection should be used for chronic weight management, an approval which the likes of it hasn't come about in 7 years. Now, several companies are coming out with their own treatment, but WeGovy has FDA approval and the spotlight. It's all about this semaglutide, which in short mimics a hormone that helps control satiety and food intake. Something similar to bariatric surgery, but without the surgery. Now, the big studies that this treatment is relying on involves 4 studies spanning 68 weeks with over 2,000 participants. In the study, the average weight per person was 212 pounds, and over the course of the 68 weeks, the average weight loss was about 35 pounds. Initially, look, this is great news, but a breakdown reveals that the participants were also instructed to restrict their calories and exercise as well, not just take the injection. And the 35-pound weight loss over 1.5 years dissipates to about 2.5 pounds lost per month, which any weight loss expert can tell you isn't too extravagant. But to be fair, it is something to be lauded, and another accomplishment of theirs was lowering many markers for blood pressure, LDL, HDLs, and triglycerides when compared to the placebo group. But here's where things get a little dicey. First, the placebo group was instructed to exercise and reduce their calories as well, but they did not see nearly as much weight loss or lowering of triglycerides as the ones who took the semaglutide. Of course, this is why it's FDA approved and why we are even talking about it at all. But there's a small warning flag here that pops up. Over 70% of the placebo group were unable to lose just 10 pounds in 1.5 years, which calls into question the exercise program, diet, and calorie restriction used, because 10 pounds lost over 1.5 years is just not indicative of a good program or really even a mediocre one. However, seemingly the groups who took the drug were also on the same program. Thus, it's difficult to put too much weight on this, but it is a warning flag. And as with most drugs, there are some risks, to include thyroid C-cell tumors, which they display in large letters on their website. Also, there's diarrhea, nausea, and more. But, if it does in fact help curb somebody's appetite and makes them feel fuller sooner, I can see why people could heed the warnings, take the risk, and try it out. We all have different risk tolerances, and for some people, an intervention like this is going to be the thing that gets the ball rolling. Again, look, it's FDA approved. The studies showed positive results. However, if the best they could do is 35 pounds over 1.5 years, and it requires dieting and exercising as well, then maybe, if you haven't tried already, maybe try sticking to a 1.5 year strict dieting, exercising, and calorie restriction plan instead, because you may get the same or better weight loss results, and plus there are some risks again with taking drugs. However, as always, the choice is yours. Comment below if you tried it or your thoughts on it, but those are the facts surrounding WeGovy and semaglutide. Thanks for stopping by, and good luck.